this is Veronica, working as an assistant professor of English at Christian College of Engineering and Technology, Patanchitra. Here I am going to share you 5 simple steps to improve spoken skills in English. So before I delve into the subject, I want everyone to raise questions to speak in better English. What is the most important thing that you think to speak in English? So the matter is clarity. The second thing is confidence. We always think of vocabulary rather than thinking of clarity of thoughts or confidence. When your thoughts are clarity, then you will automatically end up with confidence, right? So you will go anywhere else, you can speak with so much of confidence when your thoughts are clear. So I stress the point that vocabulary is less important than clarity of thought, and then confidence will automatically come. The first thing that you have to focus is enjoying the process, right? So if we learn something, you should always enjoy the process. Otherwise, you cannot learn anything from that. Then it will not give you a fruitful result, right? So I want everyone to give importance to enjoying the process. The first thing you have to improve is listening. You have to develop listening skills. You have to listen at least 15 minutes per day. For effective result, you have to practice at least 1 hour per day. Right? What is you have to practice? You have to listen something which is interested in. What makes you to interest? Most of the time, we actually tend to see or tend to listen movies, cartoons. We are focusing on languages, right? So whenever you have time to watch cartoons, whenever you have time to watch cricket commentaries, you can utilize those forums to improve your better English skills or better language skills, right? So just improve those when you listen properly, and then you can automatically enhance your language skill. Then I am going to give you, and the second solution is radio and podcast. Radio and podcast are very much helpful to improve your language skills. Actually, whenever you get opportunity to listen something from radio and podcast, you can use it. And the third thing is, for example, in the American life, any person's interview, any intelligence person's interview, any personalities interviews will help you to raise your language. Then the third solution is solution is reading. Reading is something that definitely helps you to speak very good language. It actually develop your writing skills as well. Simple are stories. You need not to go for very tough syllabus that every proficient speakers books, but you have to select very simple stories of Sudha Murthy. Like I'm giving you an example, children's stories. You can choose those things, and you can read novels and start with the basic and simple stories from your favorite genre like crime, adventurous, comic. Many of the students, or many of you have interested in comic stories, and you can go for that. And the second step I'm going to give you is observation. Observation is one of the most important thing we should always carry in our mind. So observation, what do you have to observe? Observing is whenever someone speaks in English, or whenever someone speaks giving lectures, you have to always concentrate on sentence construction. How the sentence are constructed, what and where and how. You have to construct you have to construct the word in a particular way. So for that your observation skills should be properly maintained. So concentrate and observe on while your favorite person speaks, while the teacher teaches you. So it's more important. It will help you to identify your own mistakes. And the third thing I'm going to share with you is put your ego aside. Put your ego aside. I am stressing here. The ego doesn't mean that ego that we always have. It is kind of insecurity that we have in our life. Insecurity means we never go and speak to people whether we know better English than them, but we never know. We always afraid of judgments, right? So you should not afraid of judgments. Judgment may be anything, but you should always focus on your process. So speaking English without any hesitation, this will definitely develop your speaking skills, develop your communication skills. So don't worry about anyone. Most people judges others easily, but you should not care about that. So eradicate your ego and don't hesitate to speak in English. And the step 4 is clarity. As I have already told you, the clarity is matter. What you should clarity in words doesn't matter. Clarity of thought is matter. So what should be speak? And the thought should, your basic thinking should be in English. You should have whenever you concentrate more on vocabularies, it will definitely give you poor communications. So don't concentrate more on that. Just have a good clarity. It will definitely show fruitful result. So the effective way to get good clarity is, we always know that meditation is one of the main thing that gives you a clarity of thoughts. The important step is step number 5. It is not important. Don't concentrate too much on language. What you have to concentrate is content. A sound knowledge will always give you sound language. So you should concentrate on knowledge rather than concentrating on language every time. I hope these 5 tips, according to my perspective, definitely will help you to get a clear and very good proficient language as you think of. Thank you for the opportunity.